Oh.
That's on.
Woo! Alright guys, we just ported onto this new lake. This boat's a little bit different than the last one. I don't remember being this low, but we're making it work. Pretty sweet. Guys, so we lost our motor. She gone, man. Dad and Nathan, they're on the shore. They're walking. They left me on the boat. I'm rowing it back. We're gonna try swapping motors with one of the other boats. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, how this goes. Oh man, we got a long road. Finally made it. They're up there getting the other engine. Came all the way from way in there. About me an hour later or so. Man, it was rough. Back to do more fishing. Got another nice one. So nice. Oh man. No.
Whoa! Got a big one!
No, you ding dong. You're gonna kill yourself doing this. Woo! This is sweet. I'll let him go, because that's what we do here. Everyone's been eating. Ate our sandwiches. There's our setup of food. We're getting ready to take off again. It's pretty small. Kind of foggy out because I guess there's some fires nearby, but so far it's turned out pretty sweet. I hear Uncle Paul and Uncle John laughing over there, so it's kind of got me curious. What are they doing?
Bear! Bear!
He's not gonna sleep ever.
Oh, no, not on my side. That's my pole. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, no.
I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Keep recording.
I believe I can fly.
I've never seen him do that. Oh. Here we go. Let's get on. Woo! Oh, that thing's big.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Ah! No! Ah! Don't mock my pain! Ah, and I got a lure to my shoe. Oh! Oh! They know when to flop. Goodbye, friend. Oh! No! Ah! Well guys, this is it. It's the last day. Got this place packed up. We're ready to roll, waiting for the plane to come pick us up. But I hope you guys like this video.